So how to add your Aqua Card to Apple Wallet. So to add your Aqua Credit Card to Apple Pay, the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to open up the Aqua app, where it should display this page here, where you can then see your credit balance. So to go ahead and add your card to Apple Wallet, you're going to want to click on My Card right at the bottom here. Then once you've clicked on My Card, it should display this page here, and nice and simple, you want to say Add to Apple Wallet. Then once you've selected on Add to Apple Wallet, it should display this page here, where it will then ask you to confirm if you want to add your card to Apple Pay. So you're going to want to go ahead and select Next. Then once you've selected Next, you just need to wait for it to load a bit, and then it will give you the terms and conditions. So give that a read, and if you agree, click Agree. Then once you've agreed to the terms, you'll just need to wait a little bit again. And once that's loaded, you should then get this confirmation that your card is now added to Apple Pay. And if you want to set as your default, you can select Use as Default Card, and then you'll get this notification here right at the top to confirm that your Aqua Card is now on your Apple Wallet. And if you go ahead and open up your wallet, you should now see your Aqua Card in your Apple Wallet, and you can go ahead and start using it for future payments. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe as it helps the channel massively. If you have any questions, feel free to comment them below, and thanks again for watching.